Okay students, so welcome to my channel again. Hello learners. So today we will be doing class 10th chapter 7 control and coordination. So before starting with the topic of the chapter, we will start with the word movement. How movement is related to control and coordination. As it's very important to understand how these four conditions makes movement and allows movement and controls also and coordinate them also. So these all are interconnected. So to understand them, first of all we will start with the word movement. So movement is related to growth. How? Think of it. Okay, wait, I will tell you. Growth. हम एक बीज डालते हैं मिट्टी में, वो एक प्लांट में बड़ा हो जाता है, एक प्लांट की तरह उग जाता है, उसके बाद एक बड़ा सा ट्री बन जाता है. सो व्हाट यू सी देयर इज अ ग्रोथ एंड दैट ग्रोथ को हम मूवमेंट बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर, राइट? अगर हम एनिमल्स की बात करें, इन द सेम वे एनिमल्स में अगर हम बोले एक काव का बच्चा, काव जब वो ग्रो हो जाएगा एक बिग काव में, ठीक है, so that condition we are saying growth and movement is also there. We are relating that nail is growing, there is a movement. Our hairs are growing, there is a movement. So growth को हम movement के साथ relate कर रहे हैं. But is it always possible that movement सिर्फ growth की वजह से ही होती है? No. Only growth is not related to movement. There are many other conditions which says that movement वहां भी possible है, movement वहां भी present है. For example, response to change in environment of an organism. If I say that a child is hungry and he wants to eat something, there is no growth related. There is no growth related. Just to fulfill his needs, the child will eat food and he will be fine. He will not feel hungry anymore. So that is the response. Response क्या था कि उसने खाना खाया चाइल्ड ने, and environment में change क्या था, that he was feeling hungry. In the same way, if I take an example of a hungry cat, cat is running after a mouse because cat is hungry. So there is no growth related, learners. There is a movement present. A child is eating food, there is a movement, but there is no growth. Keep in mind, there is growth, there is no growth, but there is a movement. In the same way, when we talk about the cat, cat is running after a mouse. Running is the movement, but there is no growth. So in the same way, we just understood the two conditions to fulfill the movement. Sometimes there is a growth and sometimes there is a change in the environment due to which there is a movement. In the same way, let's talk about for own advantage or pleasure. A child has gone to a park to have fun on the swings. There is a movement. He has gone by walking, by running maybe, and he have reached the park. And now he is having fun at swings. So there is a movement present. There is a movement present. There is no growth. There is no response to changing environment. But there is for own advantage or pleasure. Getting it? If a child is hungry, he is eating food. There is no growth related, but there is own advantage. That own advantage is related to the movement. So this is how some of the other conditions fulfill the movement. Not all the conditions fulfill the movements. In the same way, let's talk about our fourth condition, to protect ourselves. So for example, as you see a bright light on your eyes, you close your eyes or you blink your eyes, that is the protect. That is to protect yourself so that it should not harm your eyes. You touch any hot object, you take your hand off so that it should not harm you. So there is a movement. I have to take off my hand. That is the movement present. But there is no growth. There is no response. there is response. There is response to change in environment, but there is not for there is this, that is also for own advantage or pleasure, that for my protection. But basically, we will take this taking hand off from the hot object. We will take it as to protect ourselves. These all conditions also apply here. So you can even say that there is a movement present. As to response, is there is a movement. For own advantage, there is a movement. To protect ourselves, there is a movement. Okay, so as you, for example, you are scaring an animal with a stick. That is not good, and the animal, to protect himself itself, it will go somewhere. It will escape from that place. To protect ourselves, there is a movement. So if any of these four conditions apply and fulfill, the movement is there. And the movement occurs by the help of the messages we are receiving through our body. And to understand it in more easy terms, I will let you know that change in our environment. For example, I am just sitting on a sofa and I felt that there is there is outside raining. So what will be my response? You will say nothing. But in case you know that there is outside clothes which are getting dry, what will be your response? You will run and take it off. That's the response. So change in environment is there is raining and evokes appropriate movement. What was your movement? Appropriate movement kya hui? You were not going slowly because it was raining heavily. So your response was appropriate to the situation. As it's raining heavily, I should run fast so that clothes will not get wet again. So that clothes will not get wet again. So that was your response, an appropriate response. So appropriate response is how it comes. It is coordinated and controlled by our body. And how our body controls and coordinates it? With the help of the specific tissue. There are special tissues present in our every part of the body which transfers the messages to our brain how to respond, how to control, how to respond to the situation. For example, in a living organism, response to an event is coordinated and controlled by specific tissue. So how these tissues performed, how the messages reached, and how we respond. This happens because of the neurons. And how neurons work, we will study that in our next class. So that's all for the today. We have just done the introductory part for the today of this chapter. And if there is any doubt present, you can comment in the comment box. I will of course respond to it. And is there any suggestion also, you can tell me.